This tutorial will walk you through how to make a feather scarf with fleece fabric scraps. You can download the free pattern for this tutorial by following the link in the description below. To start up with, you are going to line up the single and double pieces. Line up one of the double pieces 1 inch above the single piece and then sew them together. Then you are going to center your first triple piece above the double piece. It should be 1 inch above the previous piece, and then sew it in place. You're going to line up the next triple piece 1 inch above the previous piece, but this one you are going to make slightly off center. You want to make it so that the diagonal on one side matches up with the diagonal of the piece below it. And then you're going to sew it in place. You're going to do the same thing with the next layer, lining it up 1 inch above the previous one. But in this case, you are going to line it up with the diagonal on the other side of the scarf. Repeat this pattern, alternating which diagonal you are lining up until you have used half of your pieces, so that you have half of the scarf. Now you're going to repeat those steps for the second side of the scarf. Once they're sewn together, sew the two sides of the scarf together right in the middle. And that's it. You have finished your fun new feather fleece scarf.